Hello everyone. Today we are going to start class 9th chapter area of parallelogram and triangle. Content of lesson 1. Figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Second, parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels. Third, triangles on the same base and between the same parallels, and medians of triangle divide it into two triangles of equal area. Before starting the topic, you may recall planar region. That is, the part of the plane enclosed by a simple closed figure is called a planar region corresponding to that figure. In figure A, enclosed by the four line segments, and in figure T, enclosed by the curve. Now, area, the magnitude or measure of the planar region is called its area. This magnitude or measure is always expressed with the help of a number such as 5 centimeter square, 8 centimeter square, and 8 hectares, etc. In given figure, you may observe that planar region formed by T is made up by the two planar region P and Q. So, area of figure T is equal to area of figure P plus area of figure Q. Now, figures on the same base. In figure 1, trapezium ABCD and a parallelogram EFCD have a common side DC. So, we say that trapezium ABCD and parallelogram EFCD are on the same base DC. In figure 2, parallelograms PQRS and MNRS are on the same base SR. And in figure 3, triangles ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC. Now, figures between the same parallels. In figure 1, triangle ABE and triangle DBC are not on the common base. Similarly, triangle ABC and parallelogram PQRS of figure 2 are also not on the same base, but the both figures lie in between same parallels. Now, see the figure 1, 2 and 3. In figure 1, trapezium ABCD and a parallelogram EFCD are on the same base DC and between the same parallel AB and DC. In figure 2, parallelogram PQRS and parallelogram MNRS are on the same base SR and between the same parallels PN and SR. Now, in figure 3, triangle ABC and triangle DBC lie on the same base BC and between the same parallel AD and BC. So, two figures are said to be on the same base and between the same parallel if they have a common base and the vertices opposite to the common base of each figure lie on a line parallel to the base. Thank you.